Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and take the team quiz on Ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. But first, before you can get to this main page, you're going to be able to select your free trial. So this application is only usable either with a paid subscription or with a free 7-day trial that is going to be offered to you the first time you open up the application. So keep in mind, you cannot use it for free, you can use it only with a trial or subscription. So the first thing you're going to do once you create your account and select your free trial is be greeted by the quiz. So from there you're going to select what interests you, if you want to use bodybuilding, fitness and so on, and it's going to show you what team you can pick. But if you have not seen the quiz, you can just go to Google and go to joinladder.com/quiz. That's going to enable you to take a quiz to choose your team. But you do not even need to take it if you just wanted to choose a team. On this main page in the bottom right corner, you can click on the team section and you can filter them. So by clicking the filter option, is going to enable you to select your exercise styles, and this is going to be the quiz which is going to show you the most suitable options you have for a teacher, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.